Well, YouTube's, it's done. Because tomorrow's the race day. So, I'll probably have more videos up tomorrow of it running at Martin County. As you can tell, my dad went through and rewelded all back up again to make sure it won't hold up. Added some more metal to it. And it should do pretty good. I guess I'll see you all tomorrow night after the race. If they're not up tomorrow night, then I'll probably have them up Sunday, either Saturday morning or Saturday night. If not Sunday. Well, I guess I'll see y'all whenever I add them up.